In today's world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by constant negative news and potential disasters. However, maintaining a positive mindset is crucial for effective preparedness. Let's explore practical strategies to stay optimistic while enhancing our survival skills. First, limit exposure to distressing news. While staying informed is important, constantly consuming bad news can lead to anxiety and fear. Instead, choose reliable sources and balance your media consumption with positive content to foster a healthier mental state. Next, identify the loved ones you're protecting through your preparedness efforts. This focus transforms prepping from a fear-driven activity into an act of love and responsibility, providing a positive perspective on your actions. Celebrate the steps you've already taken, like installing smoke detectors, maintaining fire extinguishers, or having an emergency kit. Recognizing these accomplishments boosts confidence and reduces anxiety about potential disasters. Finally, balance preparedness with activities that bring joy and relaxation. Spending quality time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, and enjoying nature can alleviate stress and remind you of life's positives. By managing your media consumption, focusing on your motivations, celebrating preparedness milestones, and engaging in enjoyable activities, you can maintain a positive outlook while effectively preparing for emergencies. Take a moment today to assess your efforts and acknowledge your progress. Share these strategies with others to build a supportive, proactive community.